So the key thing to remember here is that when your identity as a grinder, a business owner that needs to be working to get yourself out of the gutter or provide all the hopes and dreams for your family or whatever it is that's driving you, maybe a little bit of insecurity, wanting to prove people wrong or having a chip on your shoulder, whatever it is, when your identity is tied to your output, no amount of scheduled downtime, date nights, playing paddle with the boys, none of that fixes the underlying pattern. Sometimes it could be even worse because now you're scheduling those downtimes and your mind is spinning in loops on all the things you should be doing. So A, you don't even enjoy the downtime, and B, you're driving yourself even crazier and crazier with all these things building up in your mind that you feel like you need to be doing.